Welcome to Mosaic Music, a platform where we examine music of Tula Kwaba. We always break down the Malaysian, try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we encourage others, and we give inspiration. We basically post non-toxic Zion content. What is up, bro? Panaka, Malon. Listen, as soon as I saw the video of it's Twan Twa. I think I hope I'm saying it right. It's Twan, and I was like, I have to react. I was like, let's forget as into for now. Let's react to this because the last time I reacted to this church, it was the first time. Oh my god. So yo, yeah, it's fair to forget the introduction. I'm saying, yeah. This one we need to react to it, Bazalwan. So we are reacting to Istwan Twa, Emmanuel Church, Emmanuel Church. I is called IEC. Name of the song that we are reacting to. The name of the song is Rektagu Kumbula Umenzi Wako. So it was a youth conference. Take me away. Astume. It's time to offend. Oh my god! This is like the second time I react to this church. Hey, yo. So, song is straight and simple. In your youth days, remember the land. It happens. It happens that when we were still young. Right now, the age that we in, we tend to forget God, man. We just go with the flow and everything that happens. So the song is basically a reminder of saying that in your younger days, don't forget God. Don't call on God when it's already late. We have and we know people that have done that, but outside from that. Tell me, lalela the way he out. Because this is youth, right? Excuse me, because this is so phenomenal. Oh my god. It's trying to. Take me away. Take me away. I heard something. Who is that? So I think there's a first partner back. Ibeka, Brav, or refers. I don't know who did what, but there's a time where they go like, oh my god. I think it's the lady behind Umama Lokwaba. I think it's her. I think it's her. This part, I think. Hey! You remember what I said? I think 2 videos back. Have I posted that video? I think I did. Adam said, yo, just tap into it. Forget whether you know the chat or not. Just tap into it, bro. When I first reacted to Istwa Toto, I saw a child. A baby girl, light skin, singing her lungs out, bruh. And I was like, what? And then I go, and then youth. You must be out of your mind. Yavana Impeka understand the assignment. Yo! Who is it? alto, E alto, E alto is not leaving any crumbs behind. They are chowing everything. Everything that had to do with the song right now, they eating it. They just eating the song. They just eating the song. E alto, hazelnut. Nkosi yami. Isithwathwa. I keep saying it wrong. Isithwathwa. Am I saying it right? Am I saying that? Isithwathwa. Hey, yo, yay. Uh-uh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Hey, guys. The top 5 yam keeps changing. Yabona manje kuma youth. It's tricky there. Now I'm not talking just choirs. I am a choir, I'm talking about church from specific youth. Is it Twantwa? Might be up there. Might be up there. Hey, nyanwonisha njalo. Nyanxwayisa ngo-warning. Gefar ngozi. And the Mugo leader land is just having the top of his life. Nyamuso. It's the bank. Zion coming from? Where are you guys coming from? Huh? Like, yo, hey, guys, man. Come to think of it, where do you guys come from? Like, bruv, what is happening? So, South Africa, South Africa. What is happening? What is happening? Where are you guys coming from? What's that thing reacting up? Guys, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Where do you guys come from? You lie. You must be out of your mind. How? Like, yo, like, where do you guys come from? Like, Yabona, the growth of Zion right now needs to be studied. That needs to be studied. Where do you guys come from? Like, Nivumbuga Kui. How, bro? How? Every day I react to a church. It's either it's a new church or a church that I'm used to, and different faces. Every time when I react to that church, there's someone I don't know. This person began on that previous video, and that person can sing and it's full tongue up. Hey, where do you guys come from? Where do you guys come from? Yo nyavumbuga nje. Hayi makholwa. Hayi yekeleni Zion. Yabona umuntu othi Zion unenkinga. Serious problems. Twa. Hayi indlebe zami zizwile. Ngiright Zion bangcwele. Hayi mina. Hayi guys. Hayi mina ke ngithatha okungokwami so mina bazalwane ngiyahamba so in the favorite rate of who me Street Jupiter, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Adios, bye bye.